How to install a window screen, brought to you by Noseprints and More, a division of Cranbury Custom Lettering. Things to remember: watch this video through at least once. The temperature must be above 50 degrees and the window must be clean and dry. Step 1. Gather materials. You will need paper towels and window cleaner, alcohol, painting or masking tape, razor blade, utility knife, squeegee, and rulers. Step 2. Cleaning the window. If your car is very dirty, please run through a car wash first. Select the no wax option. Once home, spray thoroughly with window cleaner and wipe with a paper towel. Repeat as necessary until no dirt is visible on the towel. Make sure to clean the edges and any obstructions thoroughly. For stubborn dirt, please use a razor blade and scrape to remove. It is important that no dirt is visible on your shield, or your window screen will not stick. Next, use your alcohol to thoroughly. Step 3. Center in window. Using a helper, unroll your screen and center it on your window. Make sure to leave a 1-inch overlay all the way around the window. Be sure to check around each edge to make sure you have a minimum 1-inch overlay on all sides. Step 4. Tape. Once centered, use masking tape to secure the screen to the window. Place tape in the center of the screen from the top of the vehicle to the bottom. Secure the tape to the vehicle and the screen. Place additional tape on the right and left side of the vehicle, making sure the screen doesn't move. Step 5. Fold screen and remove backing. Remove the tape from one side of the screen, leaving the center tape. Gently fold the screen in half and peel the backing paper away from the folded section. To remove the backing, start in one corner of your screen, separate, and peel gently away. Step 6. Cut backing. Using your scissors or razor blade, cut the backing from this half of the screen. Be careful not to cut into the screen itself. Step 7. Applying your screen. Once the backing is removed from the first half of the screen, have your assistant gently stretch the screen over the window, holding it about 1 inch from the window surface. Using your squeegee, work from the center out using even strokes. Once the screen has been partially adhered, you may remove the center tape. Work from the center out, leaving the edges unadhered. The screen remains pliable, so should you have any wrinkles or bubbles, you can gently remove the screen and reapply. Again, work slowly and evenly from the center out. If small bubbles occur, you may also smooth gently with your finger. Step 8. Remove remaining tape and apply. Remove the remaining tape from your window screen. Gently fold back in half. Peel back your backing and begin your application. Step 9. Applying the second side. Gently remove your backing from the second side. Stretch over the window and hold about 1 inch over the window surface. From the center out, use your squeegee in even strokes to smooth the screen onto the window. Again, the screen will remain pliable for you to pull back and gently remove any wrinkles or bubbles that may occur. Work from the center out towards the edges using even, short strokes. Be sure to press the screen all the way to the edges of the window and check carefully for any bubbles or wrinkles. Step 10. Tuck and trim. Now you're ready to do the edges and trim work on your window screen. Tuck around any obstructions in your window, such as wipers or taillights. Trim using your razor blade or X-Acto knife, using the end of your squeegee to tuck in around the edges as you go. It's important to trim a small amount in the center of the obstruction and then trim any excess to ensure a smooth fit. It helps if you tilt your blade on an angle as you're cutting. Use the squeegee to continue to tuck around the edges to ensure smooth adhesion. Once cut, use your squeegee to smooth the edges. Step 11. Trimming the edges. You're now ready for the final step in your installation. Smooth the screen along the bottom edge and cut with your utility knife, razor blade, or X-Acto knife. Peel the excess away. Next, move on to the side, gently pulling the screen away from the edge of the window. It helps to slant your utility knife or blade along the edge of the window. Work in one long continuous motion if possible. When done, trim any excess along the edge of the window. When working on the edges, use your squeegee to ensure a smooth adherence all the way to the edge of the glass. When moving to the top of the window, work in small sections around any obstructions, such as the rear tail light. As you cut each section, be sure to peel away the excess screen and then use your squeegee to smooth to the edge of the glass. The screen remains pliable, so you can bend it into the corners to ensure a smooth cut. Change blades in your X-Acto or utility knife or your razor blade and go around the edges of the window, trimming any small pieces of excess that may occur. Care of your window screen. To prevent the edges from curling, brush ice, snow, and wash from the center to the edges only. From all of us at Nose Prints and More and Cranbury Custom Lettering, we hope you enjoy your new window screen. Please visit us online for all of your custom printing needs.